Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz Kia to look at the 2020 Kia Forte GT line. Here we go. So let's review the 2020 Kia Forte GT line. Featured here in clear white with black interior, this example is offered by Lou Fusz Kia in St. Louis. For additional information or set up a test drive, contact Josh. His information is below. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, this vehicle is loaded up. It has the GT line rear spoiler, rear bumper, as well as front bumper, LED tail lights. As we move around to the passenger side of the vehicle, we see the GT line exclusive design 17-inch aluminum 5-spoke wheels wrapped with all-season tires. On the front of the vehicle, we have the LED daytime running lights, auto-off projector headlights, LED fog lights. Hey, it's the Videopreneur. If you like the videos, hit like, subscribe, make a comment, hell, hit the bell on the way out. Thanks again for watching. As we dive into the interior, we have the 60/40 rear fold-down seats. Here we see the 8-inch touchscreen. We'll touch on that more in a moment. As we move around to the front driver and passenger area, we see the GT line steering wheel, the steering wheel touch controls, the GT line sport cloth leatherette seat trim. There's the remote. Really a nice remote. We have blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic warning. Here we see the center stack. Got a nice view of the sport pedals. We'll show that a little bit more in a moment. We have forward collision avoidance, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist. Here we see the really nice seats with the GT line special stitching. Great look at the center stack. More on the GT line seats. The stitching really makes it pop. There's the GT line steering wheel. Flat bottom steering wheel, really a nice sport wheel. There you can see the dead pedal as well as the sport trim on the pedals. Power windows. It's a tilt telescoping steering wheel or steering column. Here we go through the function of the fingertip controls on the steering wheel. Really makes it easy to function as well as read in the instrument cluster. Here we see the 8-inch touchscreen. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth wireless technology. There we see the rear backup camera. Here we move the gear selector out of the way so you can get a great look at the power connects. We have two 12-volt connections as well as additional power point. Nice little two cubbies there for your cell phone, your home keys, or whatever extra change. Here we have the drive mode. Sport mode is the one that's the most fun, and that shows up in the instrument cluster as well. So you have Smart, Normal, and Sport. Plenty of storage in the center console. Really a nice interior. As far as cargo space, we have 15.3 cubic feet of cargo space. That's with the rear seats in the upright position. As far as the engine, it's a 2.0 liter multi-point fuel injection 4-cylinder engine. It produces 147 horsepower. It has the intelligent variable automatic transmission, which delivers 29 city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway.